Many people assume that traveling to Canada for meetings or short-term work automatically makes them a business visitor. In reality, the business visitor category is very specific under Canadian immigration law, and not everyone conducting business-related activity qualifies for it. A business visitor is someone who comes to Canada temporarily to engage in international business activities without directly entering the Canadian labor market. The key factor is whether they will be paid or perform work for a Canadian employer. If the person is being paid or providing services to a Canadian company in a way that competes with Canadian workers, a work permit is usually required. Typical examples of business visitors include individuals coming for meetings, consultations, training, conferences, or after-sales service as part of an international agreement. For instance, an executive visiting a Canadian affiliate for short-term meetings, or a technician installing or servicing equipment sold under a warranty, may qualify as a business visitor. These activities must be incidental to employment outside Canada, not the main source of income while in the country. Business visitors may also attend trade shows, negotiate contracts, or receive training from a Canadian parent company, provided they are not entering the Canadian labor market or being remunerated by a Canadian source. The income and principal place of business must remain outside Canada. The distinction becomes important because officers at ports of entry often focus on what the visitor will do while in Canada. Even short-term or unpaid work that benefits a Canadian company directly may not fit the business visitor category and could require a work permit instead. Those planning to travel to Canada for business should ensure that their activities clearly meet the criteria and that they carry documentation to support their purpose of visit. Letters from the foreign employer, proof of ongoing employment abroad, and details of the planned activities can help satisfy border officers that the person qualifies as a business visitor. Understanding this difference can help prevent delays, refusals, or even entry denials at the border. When there is any uncertainty about whether a work permit is required, it is best to obtain professional advice before traveling. A Canadian immigration lawyer can review the specific circumstances and help confirm whether business visitor entry is appropriate or if a work authorization is needed.